Want to actually understand charts, not guess? Day 2, candlesticks, timeframes, and simple reads.
Welcome back. I'm Dynamis. Today we'll demystify price charts. What candlesticks show, how timeframes change the story, and 2 simple things you can spot in under 10 seconds to make smarter decisions. No indicators overload, just essentials.
A price chart is a visual history of buy and sell decisions. The x-axis is time, the y-axis is price. Charts condense thousands of trades into patterns you can read quickly. There are line charts, but the most useful for trading are candlestick charts. They show open, high, low, and close for each time block. A candlestick has a body and wicks. Body equals the range between open and close. Wick equals extremes, high and low. If close is higher than open, it's bullish. If lower, bearish. Long bodies show momentum, long wicks show rejection. Context matters more than color. Time frame changes everything. A pump on the 1-minute chart can be noise on the 1-hour chart. For beginners, use 1 hour or 4 hour for trades, and the daily chart for longer-term bias. Check at least 2 timeframes before deciding. Support is where buyers appear. Resistance is where sellers appear. Draw horizontal lines at obvious recent highs and lows. If price respects a level, it's meaningful. If price breaks on high volume, the level can flip. Volume shows how strong a move is. Big price moves on low volume are suspect. A breakout with higher than average volume is more trustworthy. For day 2, just glance at volume. Higher equals confirmation, lower equals caution. Let's read a quick setup. Trend is up, price pulled to a support level, volume is average. Plan, place a small limit buy just above support and set a stop loss below the swing low. Risk 1 small % of your account. Practice this on paper first or with a tiny real test. Homework for day 2. 1. Open a chart on TradingView. 2. Draw 1 support and 1 resistance line. 3. Identify the current trend. 4. Note the volume. And 5. Write down a sample limit entry and stop loss in your trade log.
Nice work. You just learned to read price action. Tomorrow we explain Bitcoin and blockchain simply. Save this video, comment day 3 if you're ready, and hit follow for the whole series.